Hi guys, my name is Udo Rutschmann and let's do a couple of quick gesture sketches. Okie dokes, I will explain a little bit as I go along. With the head, using an X shape, looking for the center line, chin. Then next consideration is where's the sternocleidomastoid muscle that starts behind the ear and is going here. And now I'm drawing the rib cage loosely just to get a feeling for the pose. Hip and pelvis, something like this. The supporting leg goes down like this, and the other one is going in an angle and straight down again, and the heel is lifted off the ground. Good. So now I'm drawing the arms, often using just a simple line for the direction of the body part, something like this, indicating a little bit of the shoulder and the upper arm. And I'm looking at the pose and I see where the rib cage presses into the pelvis, where the compression takes place, roughly around here. That's where the lower arm starts, the forearm, and like this, something like this. Okay, immediately I'm looking for the center line. The center line in this case is shifted to the right hand side, like this, coming down and doing something like this. I might have to come back to this, then I'm drawing the arms, simple cylinder, again cylindrical form for the arm, elbow, and going around the form a little, circumnavigating. And as I said before, the pinch is here we're coming into the hip pelvis region. We have, if you look closely, you can actually see the iliac crest, the bow, the arch of the pelvis coming around here, going down, and there is a little knob here which is the aces bone. And when I look for the first one, I'm immediately looking for the other one, which is opposite side, and we're having a slight, quite a contrapposed situation, pose. So the other one is lower, this one higher, this one lower. Bring down, and drawing the foot again, kind of ovoid cylindrical shape. Draw the knee. The knee is shown in a side view. Lower leg, foot, like this. And let me just have a quick look. Yeah, it looks okayish. So we come around here. Again, I'm drawing a cylindrical form for the other leg, for her left leg. Come here, going into the calf muscle and down, and then we have this situation here. Yeah, same principle what you have just seen I'm using for the upper arm. Come here, go down into the condyles region. Then I'm bringing down the arm like this and it's doing something like this. So, next consideration is a little bit of the features. We have this strongly tilted head to the left hand side. So we're having this situation a little bit of the hair, and the forehead is somewhere here. I'm not turning this into a portrait drawing, but I started indicating some of the features, so I have to kind of make it look consistent. So I'm just dropping a little tone here for the eyes. Come here. The nose is actually further down, more like this, and I'm indicating the lips a little, and note that this is the lips, the split of the lips, the upper and lower side of the nose, and the position of the eyes. They're all in right angles to the central axis of the face. So I'm bringing down the other sternocleidoid mastoid muscle, connect here, and now I'm drawing the breast, which is here and connects here to the humerus. Note that one nipple is down, the other one is up, and I'm come here, pectoralis muscle, go down like this and like this. Okay, so what's next? I'm drawing the ribcage a little more, thoracic arch here, coming here and doing something like this. And now I'm looking for the belly button as an orientation point. Bring in the obliques like this, and yeah, this could go a little wider, and like this. And maybe some indication of the hair here to give her a little personality. Just drawn a little heavy-handed. That sometimes happens to me if I want to get a proper contrast, so you guys can see it actually. So I'm pressing a little too hard. Yeah, and what I'm doing now is I'm articulating the lines just somewhat, a little. And I hope I make the drawing by doing this a little more appealing, worthwhile, nice, convincing, whatever. Okay. Yes, and I think, I don't know, I didn't time the drawing, but I guess we are around 4 or 5 minutes. maybe a little more, maybe a little less, I don't know. I lost my feeling for the time, as always when I draw, which is a nice side effect. Like this, and yeah, and we could bring in a little bit of shadow, light and shadow. This bicep is way too long as I have drawn it. The whole arm is way too long. But these things happen if you... I'm not really doing a lot of comparative measurements here. I'm just drawing along as I go with my pen through the figure. I'm not really so much concerned if some of the features are a little bit too long or a little bit too short, as long as the overall image or representation is kind of okay. Yeah, okie dokes guys, I think I leave it here and let's do another one. I see you in a bit.